This South African butternut squash and sausage soup is an absolute belter of a winter warmer when you just want a plate of coziness to warm you from the inside out. Super easy to make, and this is how you do it. The prep's easy. All you're going to do is just chop up an onion, and we're going to pan fry this first in some butter. Now, I'm cooking this in the slow cooker. If you were doing this in just a soup pan, you just fry it all in the soup pan. But for the slow cooker, we're frying it first, then we're adding the garlic and giving it a further 30 seconds before adding it to the slow cooker. Then we're going to add in our butternut squash. I'm putting it straight in from the freezer. I'm using the pre-prep stuff just because I think chopping up butternut squash is a faff. So it goes straight in frozen. Then we're adding some cinnamon to give it this lovely spicy warmth and some pepper. Then all we're doing, if we're cooking it in the slow cooker, popping the lid on it and giving it 2 to 3 hours on high or 5 to 6 hours on low. If you're cooking it on the hob, then you probably just want to give it about half an hour to 45 minutes until the butternut squash is completely softened. Once it's ready, we're just going to add in some single cream before blitzing it with the hand blender. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Now for the topping and our extra protein boost, we're going to fry off some sausage. Now in South Africa, where this recipe is from, you do this with boerewors, but we can't really, well, I certainly can't find it up here in my supermarket. So I'm using venison sausages, or you could use it with beef sausage instead. Basically just some kind of sausage that's got a little bit of a spicy kick to it. Fry that until it's cooked through, and then just plate up the soup, garnish with a little bit more cream, pop a couple of the sausages on top, and then again hit it up with some paprika. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and as always, if you want the full recipe along with a load of others, you can just download my recipes app. There's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See ya!